Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's. Now sometimes when I'm working on machinery they have one of these attachments which you connect up to your hose pipe, start your lawnmower up and it supposedly cleans it underneath. I've never tried one but I have seen one used and God did that make a right old mess. So anyway, what I'm going to say about it is when you have to try and line up that with this, it can be a pain. So I'll show you how I do it and it makes it so much easier. Now on the underside of the machine, where the hose attaches, it comes through here. And you've got to try and line up this piece with that. And it can be a pain sometimes. So I do, so I've got a brass rod. I stick it through there, so it's out through the other the other side of the plastic deck cover. I then fit it into the down piece, which is connected to the bodywork. I then push this back, a little bit of fiddling and farting, and hey presto, it's in position. Then I just withdraw the rod. An alternative is you unscrew that and withdraw the plastic bit out, but it's an easy way to do it, but it's another alternative way of putting the deck on and lining that up with the plastic deck. So there you are folks, that's a little tip on replacing the plastic undercover if it has a water washing system on it. The reason why I took off the deck on this, it's not in for a service, it's a year old and the drive belt has snapped. So that's why it was offside to replace that. I hope you found that helpful. If you liked it, hit the like, and if you found it even better, hit the subscribe button, much appreciated. Take care folks, and see you next video. Bye.